case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Bridge Tower Dental sued Meridian Computer Center in 2012 for breach of contract and negligence under bailment law after Meridian erased all of Bridge Tower Dental's data while trying to repair their computer. The Idaho Supreme Court ruled in favor of Bridge Tower Dental, stating that Meridian had a duty to protect and safeguard bailed property and failed to do so. The court sent the case back to the district court to assess damages, vacated attorney's fees for Meridian, and upheld fees under IC Section 12-123 due to the commercial transaction in the lawsuit. Bridge Tower Dental received appeal costs.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.